Welcome to the Dwell Well Institute, the online educational membership for mold-aware homeowners and building professionals. Led by architect Cheryl Ciecko, members receive expert guidance in 4 concise video classes. Every month, Cheryl delivers an in-depth video masterclass based on your most requested topics.
So why are crawl spaces problematic? And any of you have lived in a house with a crawl space know that they are. And the main reason is due to humid conditions. And so let's talk about some of the ways that the conditions become bad.
Cheryl reviews photos of potential mold, building defects, and water damage to provide exclusive feedback for members.
And what might be the causes of this. If you see something like this, it may not be as bad. It may just be a slight impression of what you see here, but know that all of these things do mean that water is getting into the wall.
Learn the pros and cons of popular building materials, products, and mold solutions.
Sound like it has some good features to it, but know that there's a lot of considerations when it comes to gutter guards. I do have a couple different versions on my house, and then like I said, durability, which can have to do with the UV of the sun. It is in addition to whether there's salt, air, snow and ice sometimes will pull the gutters right off if it gets collecting on some of these systems.
Every month, members can take part in a live Q&A session to ask Cheryl their questions on mold, building, renovations, and more.
It's definitely water damage. Whether it's coming from underneath and coming from the other corner and then just dumping out behind the wall here, we don't know. I'd check with the level, but definitely if you see that, that's an indication of something going on. And this is what it might look like, and this is with the window, and the window was apparently leaking here is the way it looks to me. And if you look at the pattern of damage and wetness, and this can cause damage on the outside wall too.
Members also receive a monthly home maintenance checklist, along with a content schedule and access to the exclusive members community.
And know that we have something new. It's my Dwell Well members community. Come on in. Feel free to post any questions or pictures that you would like to share.
Follow the links below for all the details on how you can become a member, or visit dwellwellinstitute.com.